This is example 2 for confidence interval. We have a sample size of 20 nurses. Sample mean, that's X bar, 96. And a standard deviation, because it's from the same sample, it's also going to be S. So that's 5. And we are interested in a confidence interval of 99%. If we wanted to find the alpha here, it would be 1 minus 0.99. That would be 0.01. We are also going to need our degrees of freedom. That is n minus 1. 20 minus 1, 19. From here, we're going to need the degrees of freedom. And we're going to need either the confidence level or the alpha to find the T critical. So let's go to the table. So in the T table, we have two options. We can go to two tails here and look for alpha, which is going to be 0.01. And then we would go down to 19 degrees of freedom, which would be this value here, 2.861. That's 19 degrees of freedom. Or we could go to the bottom if you're using the free table. The confidence level was 99. And then we would go up to the degrees of freedom, which was 19. There you go. So our T critical is going to be 2.861. So this is going to be plus or minus. It's okay if you don't write it out because it will be in the formula. I'll mention it when we get there. First, we're going to find the margin of error. 2.861. The standard deviation was going to be 5. Square root of 20. When we do this calculation, we get 3.20. And this is going to be plus or minus. And you don't need to remember the plus or minus for this example, for the confidence intervals basically, because it's in the formula. Our X bar was 96 minus the margin of error, which we already got, between, that's for the population mean, so 96 plus, oh, I forgot the little dot there, 3.20, and it comes out to 92.8 and 99.2. Do not forget, in the middle of this equation, we're looking for an interval. We don't know what the population mean is, but we can say it's between this number and this number. And that's essentially what we say in our conclusion. We are 99% confident that the population mean, so that symbol that was right there, is between this number and this number that we just found.